Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So I recently went on to Amazon and got these stickers. I have been looking at these for a very long time. And so I finally decided to bite the bullet. These were not cheap, by the way. It was like $15 or $16. Now that being said, you do get a lot. I mean, even in here, these are some tiny sets, it looks like, as well. So, I wanted to try to make little koi ponds, I guess you could call them. These are ceramic dishes that came in a set of desserts from Costco. I believe, if I'm recalling correctly, my housemates buy this stuff and they just let me have the, the dishes. So, because I have two here, I wanted to do two of them. So for the first one, I'm going to do these beautiful blue and purple. I know the name of the fish. I cannot think of the name of the fish. It's not a koi, it's a betta fish. There we go. And then I've also pulled some of the little lily pads and greenery. And then for the other one, I'm going to try this orangey yellow. Again, I'm not sure that it's a koi. Maybe it's a different betta. Maybe if someone down there in the YouTube land knows fish, let me know what kind of fish that one is. I know this one's a betta. I'm pretty sure this one's a betta. That might be a betta too. The other thing is, well, number one, I'm getting black stuff on the back of this, so I need to be careful. The other thing is that I've noticed that this one tells you which layer goes first, but this one doesn't for some reason. So I'm hoping I can figure this out. I want to say it goes like this, 2, 3, and then 4. So I have to do 4, 5 layers of resin. Let's see, 1, that, 2, that, 3, that, 4, that, 5. So 5 layers of resin for this one. And for this one I have to do, I think, 6 layers of resin. And that's not even including these little things. So this, like I said, it's going to be a long process. Hopefully the video's not too long for you guys, but I just wanted to give it a try and see how it goes. So we shall see. All right? Okay, let's go ahead and get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I have 2 little pyramids. And so I just did Petri dish for these. This one, I have a bunch of blues. Lots of bubbles, okay. Very cool though. Very otherworldly. Okay, and for this one I did yellow, pink, and red. So let's see how this one turned out. I hate it every time. I hate trying to get this one out. Okay. All right. Very cool looking. Yeah. All right. So those are today's bonus unmolding. All right, friends. So these are cured. What do you think? I think this one looks much more 3D than this one does, but I really, really like the way that they turned out. So this was an adventure in patience. It took 6 layers of resin in total. Camera focus. Thank you. And yeah, they look a lot better in real life, as do most things. So, but I'm happy with how they turned out. This was fun. It's a fun little adventure, I think. And yeah, so that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.